It took a big, long journey, but from beginning when I was little, my dad was always in construction. He was a contractor. He built homes. So we moved a lot and built homes all over New Mexico. So I always was into construction and kind of that whole process of the full project life cycle. And reading blueprints when I was little with my dad. So when I became into college, I decided to go the route of engineering and decided to be a civil engineer. I graduated with my master's in civil engineering and had a number of internships where I got to explore the construction industry as well as the mining, and ended up obtaining a job at Hewitt, where I moved to Albuquerque, New Mexico, and built a lot of different big roadway projects out in the northern part of New Mexico, as well as Colorado, and did a lot of estimating as well as a lot of great projects with the local DOTs. So from there, it turned into me learning the new tools that InEight offered to Hewitt. And from there, it turned into kind of being a specialized person in knowing the InEight tools, and became a super user for InEight. Once I became a super user for InEight, then I stayed. I never left. I was always there until now. Now I'm a client success manager. I worked on the training team. I worked in sales. I've worked in a number of different areas at InEight, and currently my current role is probably my most valuable and prized accomplishment at InEight right now. The reason I got into civil engineering was because my dad was a contractor, because I helped him do project management in high school with, managing our subcontractors and ensuring we were on track and on budget to finish a home. That really ignited my interest in just engineering in general. And then when I went to school, I found out you can be an engineer for specifically that, civil engineering. You can build and do the whole project life cycle. So I went into that full force and learning all that civil engineering had to learn about building a project from beginning to end, and kind of knowing that project management aspect of how to manage a team and a budget. So that's what ignited me, was my father's passion for construction, getting me involved. And then in turn, here I am, a civil engineer working for InEight. Yeah, the passion of truly doing that digital transformation for all our construction industries so that we can better have better roads and upkeeping of budgets, so that we can know, for example, when a road is done and needs to be repaired, exactly how much that benchmark number is to complete the work, so that we can better give our DOTs a better estimate of how much it takes to cost, and using our taxpayers' dollars better. Really, my passion is about that whole digital transformation, getting everybody having that change management experience to take on a new experience with digitally, and using a cloud setting or using your computer, even just to move from a Excel sheet to importing a report. It's very important you get involved with digital aspects of your industry. So my passion is definitely like my current role, client success, ensuring our client can be successful at what they're doing, tracking budgets, doing their work better, ensuring that they can save their company money as well as our DOT's money, or any part of the world save a little bit of money to better build our work. Helping our industry move forward, for example, digitally, if you come from a different journey or different occupations, such as software, you wouldn't think, a civil engineer would be working for a software company, but here I am working for a software company. And we do need so much, different aspects of people's passions and their experiences, such as, if you're coding, um, that passion that you have for coding is important for us at InEight to build our software better for our construction industry. Um, Maybe that market demand, you have a great finance degree and you understand how the market is growing and where things are going into different aspects of the world, of how our tools would be better functioning for different parts of the world. That finance and marketing degree would be a great candidate for InEight to bring their passion about researching information and bringing that information to light for the construction industry. There's so many different avenues that you can come into um, to the construction industry world to bring your passions about software, marketing, finance. Um, Maybe you even have some expertise in journeyman and you're a project manager that are always in the field and never had to be in office. But we need that kind of information in the construction industry to understand how the project lifecycle works and what's a better way to build work. And maybe we can incorporate that into our tools appropriately. So bringing your passion that you had from a previous experience or what you went to school for, bringing it to a place where they can transform it into our software is a really great way to look at coming into our industry.